You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. So those are the ones that go upwards, right? If you want to learn how to pronounce those that go downwards, stay tuned. Two different pronunciations here are correct. British English pronunciation is as stalagmites. Stalagmites. Stress on the sta syllable. Stalagmites. The American English pronunciation is as stalagmites. Stalagmites. Stalagmites or stalagmites are two different ways of pronouncing this word, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.